Hi, this is Kate Harrison from Green Bride Guide, and I can't wait to join you next June in Bali at the Asia Pacific Wedding Professionals Conference. The Nikko Resort and Spa looks amazing. I'll be giving a keynote on how to go green and differentiate yourself from the competition. I'll also be running breakout sessions on the eco-luxury market, 2014 wedding trends, and how to avoid greenwashing. For a deeper dive, join me for the 5-hour Green Wedding Professionals Certification course being offered in tandem with this event. You don't want to miss this conference. It's going to be absolutely beautiful in Bali and such a wonderful opportunity to connect with your community, to learn, to come together, and really take the profession to the next level. This is the year to step up your business. There's an amazing lineup of speakers, and I hope to see you there.